I saw it on the telly a week after we put Roger in the ground. One of those late night specials you'd flick through to get to the sport. Some nutter, spiritual type talking about connecting with ghosts. They used objects to bridge the afterlife with wherever God's got us now. Jewellery, antiques, lucky charms, things that were near and dear to them. Got me thinking. Got me thinking about Roger. People talk about freedom. Roger knew it inside out. We met when we were early into it. Roadhouse run-ins, colts on the buck. Mates. Roger loved stopping off at all the big things when he was on the road. The big banana in Coffs Harbour, the big prawn in Ballina, the big potato in Robertson. Hundreds of them. He'd pick up a souvenir at everyone, stick it on the dash, and keep going. I knew if I was going to lure Roger in, the hook would have to be big. Where my runs took me, I'd start pulling right up next to any big thing I could lay my eyes on. I'd switch on the CB, dial a dead channel, pick up the handset and go, "Roger, me mate, I won't run on time. Staying low, dude. Keep me nose dirty. Late in the afternoon, when the sun is dipping, and my back's hurting, I think about you. I'll throw on the anchors, jump in the dog box, leave the hatch open a couple of inches. I sit back and stare out at nothing, thinking about when we first met, the last thing I said to you before you left, and the whole lot in between. Every day, just you and me, felt like I was floating in angel gear, coasting down this hill we'd made ourselves, gear in neutral, saving a bit of diesel so we could keep running forever. You know, I regret that I never told you I needed you to smoke out the demons, to give a dying fire purpose, a lick of air to keep it from going dark.